Good day, traders. This is Master FX Shifu from the Universal Forex Dojo. Let's hop onto the charts and see what we've got for the day. Now, before we do that, let's check out the Wushu 2.0.
Automate your entire trade management process with the most advanced tool on the market. Remove emotions, perfect execution, all instruments. Trade the Asian session, London session, and New York session in your sleep. Spend less than 2 hours on charts and allow the Wushu to trade for you through all sessions. Wushu 2.0 features auto place, stop orders, auto break even, auto partials, auto trail stop, proprietary auto exit strategy. How it all works. Step 1. Analyze your charts and set up your trade ideas. Step 2. Input your trade setups, entry point, stop loss, and risk. Step 3. Go about your day and let the Wushu do all the work through all sessions. Summary. The Wushu will position size for you, auto place stop order, move stop to break even, take partials for you, trail stop, limit max loss for the day. Auto hedge new feature. The Wushu 2.0 Auto Hedge Mode will hedge every position you take. It will manage the 2 positions using the Dojo proprietary exit mode. The Wushu will proceed to close the losing position and take profits from the winning position. The Wushu 2.0 Auto Hedge Mode is set to close at 1.5 R of every position it takes. Take your trading to the next level with the Wushu 2.0. Get our tool, uniforexdojo.com. info@uniforexdojo.com.
Good day, traders. Hoping that everybody's doing well today. This is Master FX Shifu. Let us hop into the stream and see what we can pick up. We are slightly late today, but yeah, we do have a very big power issue here. Anyway, do confirm if you can see my screen, if my sound is good, and then I can definitely get started. Meanwhile, while you guys check, I was looking at gold just now, and I just saw this very interesting level, and I just thought to myself, let me take a look and see if I can't find a decent point to work on. And well, there's nothing as yet. We should be getting another BOS here, but I just didn't like this candle here. Okay, so let me just basically go back and try to find a decent entry. See, Kevin Joseph is saying my sound is good. That's perfect. Drop your pairs that you want us to look at. Drop your pairs, and then let's see how that's gonna work out. Okay, nothing there. I actually don't see price going that high again. I actually don't. But on the hourly, if you take a look at these levels here, I do see some liquidity at the top as well. So I was expecting price to actually go back into this region first, and then of course tank down, because now if you think about it, the last BOS we had was practically this one here, and then price came back, mitigated the whole OB here, and then as it came down, we only had a minor, literally a wick BOS. So I'm not even concerned about that, but I will be focusing on this area here to trade from. Let's see, let's take a look. try to see if we can't find it. Let me take the highs as well, just to be on the safe side. You always don't want to get wicked out of setups. And take a look at the 1 minute. Nothing there. Nothing there. I see Bingham wants us to look at NAS 100 and GJ. Okay, nothing there. There we go. Perfect. So we should be looking at this area to work from. Now, also, we could probably even find another point to work with inside this. So as price goes up, we could find a decent point of entry inside. So let's just move that a bit, and then we'll have that as well. So that's our point that we'll be working with. Let me move these actually. My watch list, gold. Okay, perfect. And then moving forward, I see Kevin is looking at US 13 ECAD, and then Benjamin is looking at NAS 100 and GJ. So I'll just take the NAS 100 ECAD and GJ. Okay, and we should be done for the stream. Let us break it down. So I did ECAD yesterday with one of my bootcamp students, and then we had 3 potential setups that we could be looking to trade from. And they're still very valid, by the way, still very, very valid. So I can actually leave these and then look at just marking them, of course. I'm gonna have that over there, then have that over there. This first one here, I'm actually gonna remove it because now it's a bit too tight for my liking. This first one here, and then we'll just have this setup. There we go. There we go. There we go. So I should have this. Beautiful. Beautiful. Then we'll have something along these lanes. Then open a new tab. So that's what we're looking at. This is based on higher time frames as well. I've even seen a decent POS here at the bottom, so should still be good to go from here. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense for you guys. Then I'm just gonna mark it as well, and then just moving forward again, we've got NAS 100 and GJ. NAS 100 failed me yesterday. I think it broke even, if I'm not mistaken, and it literally came back and tanked as analyzed. I don't like it when it does this, but it happens. So this is where we broke even. Wait, let me move that. It was actually a tick, not a loss. Okay, and then eventually it came back to literally tank. That came in like a rocket there, but it happens. It really happens. So don't mind that. Okay, on the daily, this is still a valid setup, by the way. I'm actually gonna mark this and leave it here. As we keep analyzing it, I'll try come back and refine it, and then of course we could potentially have a nice sell off in this area. So let us keep that in mind. Okay, now hopping onto the lower time frames. We do see that move, retracement, minor breaker structure, retracement all the way to the top side, massive imbalance left there, retracing into this OB here where it is right now, and there's another OB here that we can work with. So let's refine both. This is on the 4 hour, by the way, guy. Let's refine both and see if we can't. Okay, here's one here. And then of course there's this one here. Then let's see if we can't go deeper, so we can find a better OB to work with. There we go. That one's still fine. Got mitigated. This one didn't got mitigated. The one at the top is fine. And then let's open it a bit more. Okay, we're gonna take this low. We have this massive one also didn't get mitigated. Take the lows. Then let's see if we can't even try our luck and refine it even further to find a better stop loss range, which should mean better R's, of course. There we go. And then this one, nothing there. We should be good from here. This is a 4-hour setup, by the way, so we'd have 2 possible entries to work from. And remember to risk well, which would allow you to, if one fails, you do hop on to the next one and take advantage. Okay, there we go. Of course, targeting these highs here. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. There we go. Then you have these 2 setups good and ready for you guys. And then moving on to the next one, GJ. GJ also, we hit a stop loss on this one and eventually came back, but I see now it's actually coming into this OB, so we could get a potential setup as we are analyzing it now. It's closing this massive imbalance here. It's leaving a huge one. It's going to be a very beautiful setup, actually. It's going to be a very nice one. Okay, that's on the 5 minute. Let's see how the 1 minute is looking. Yeah, nothing on the 1 minute. But there's a huge imbalance here. So we are going to get a nice sell off in here. I just don't like the stop loss range, but refining it further is just going to get us wicked out. Okay, there we go. So that's our setup on GJ. I need to send this ASAP before price gets into our stop loss range. And that's where we are on GJ, guys. Beautiful. And that's about it for today's session, guys. Let's hop on to the lives, hop onto the London, and happy trading, guys. Do check out our bootcamp, do check out our wushu, and of course check out our signals. Cheers, guys.